Get reviews or features highlight before select XIOYIG Tabletop Firepit, Portable Concrete Firepit, Ethanol Firepit Tabletop Firepit, Fire Bowl. Mini Personal Fireplace Electric Indoor-Outdoor Garden Decor. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose XIOYIG Tabletop Firepit. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Tabletop Firepit unique design. The XIOYIG Tabletop brazier is made mostly of concrete and has a smooth and beautiful appearance. The base is made of marble, making the tabletop brazier more beautiful, and the marble base helps to disperse the heat generated by flint in the process of use, which can effectively protect your table and surface from the heat generated by fire. Ethanol Firepit easy to use. Simply add 70% or 91% isopropyl alcohol as fuel to burn, then use an extended lighter or long match to ignite, and when the fuel has burned clean, put it out with a flat fire extinguisher in the box. Personal Fireplace long combustion time. The combustion time can be up to 90 to 120 minutes after the fuel is poured into the alcohol combustion chamber. Solid alcohol and liquid alcohol can be used. The higher the purity of alcohol combustion, the longer the combustion time, without adding fuel frequently. And the alcohol combustion chamber is equipped with alkali-free glass fiber cotton felt to help ignite the flame, prolong the combustion time. It can be recycled. Concrete fire pit safety first. Stainless steel insulation effectively played the cooling effect. Stainless steel alcohol combustion cup can avoid fuel leakage. Fire extinguishing can be safe and fast extinguishment of the fire as long as the flat fire extinguisher will be the combustion chamber cover. Smokeless fire pit Tabletop fire pit versatile. The XIOYIG Tabletop brazier is small and convenient for indoor and outdoor use. It can be used to make delicious snacks, and add a fire atmosphere to your parties, festivals, negotiations, and other occasions. Do not add fuel during alcohol combustion. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.